Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Queen Valley. This includes the following streams and drainages: Woodlow Canyon and Tortilla Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Pinal, Arizona,